This is a U87ai clone that I built.
You're listening to The Dangerous Mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov. No excuses, no BS, no pants.
This little microphone is amazing, and I'm going to tell you more about it in a second. But first, let's run some copy through it. At Joe Machens Hyundai, you won't just get a great vehicle, you'll also get a great buying experience. Drive the all-new adventure-ready 2022 Hyundai Tucson today and see for yourself how we took a great SUV and made it even greater. Tune into PBS on Sunday at 9/8 Central for Wicked in Concert, a televised concert event hosted by Kristen Chenoweth and Indina Menzel. This Saturday, one night only, Blink 182 with special guests All American Rejects, live at the Forum. Get your tickets at Ticketmaster.com.
Okay, let's do some character voice stuff with it too, because it's really neat to have a microphone that picks up all the little nuances in your voice and lets your performance be all that it can be.
Oh, yeah. I really like a microphone that helps me out with my voice work.
Oh, gosh darn it, when I use a microphone this good, it keeps the work flowing in and keeps my belly from growling.
It has a nice mid-range, I'll tell you that much.
What are you doing? You're trying too hard.
Well, that's exactly what I want to do. Coming in at number 5, it's a long-distance dedication. La la la. Let's not low-end hug. It doesn't have that twinkly, really sharp, high-endy kind of thing that some 87 AIs are prone to. That's pretty cool. Wow, I really dig this microphone. Here, check this out. You want to hear something really, really crazy? I'm going to take the expander gate off this. Listen how quiet this microphone is. That's insane. This is like the quietest microphone I own. Well, let me tell you a little bit more about this microphone. So, not that long ago, a really cool guy named Michael Fuchs generously posted on groupdiy.com a new take on the U87 clone circuit. And what made this really interesting to me was two different things. First of all, well, if you primarily look at all of the U87 clone products out there, from the amazing Danny Bouchard DIY version to even look at the Warm Audio version of the 87, the Rev 2 version. These are really heavily influenced by the vintage U87 circuit, otherwise known as the U87i, which was made from 1967 to 1986. And then in 1986, Neumann changed the U87. What they did was they included a new circuit in there. Same capsule, same transformer, but they boosted the polarization voltage of the capsule from 48 volts to 60. And what that did was it made the microphone more sensitive and more quiet, perfect for the digital age. So the U87ai was born. And I really haven't seen microphone DIY projects, too many of them based on the U87ai. And the second thing that he did that I really dig is that he was able to lay out the circuit in such a compact way that fits inside one of these little microphone bodies. And you can generally find these little tiny size microphone bodies on eBay, on Amazon, on Alibaba. Look for BM700, BM800. And on their own, these microphones are garbage. But you can, and sometimes the metalwork is a little bit sketch. But if you are so inclined, you can generally make a pretty cool DIY microphone with them if you can find a circuit that fits inside. So I really like this microphone a lot. It was a little bit challenging to build because of how the little space there is between the components, but I like that. I like the challenge of it. And ultimately, I think it's a great microphone. I put a 3U audio transformer in there, and the 3U audio transformers I'm starting to love because they're so clean. It really has a beautiful, clean sound. And there's a garbage capsule in there. There's like a $20 cheap testing capsule in there. And it still sounds pretty good. So, and that's the thing. It's like the knock on the capsules, on cheap capsules, is that they sound terrible. And the truth is, not all of them sound terrible. And usually they sound terrible because they're paired with a circuit that doesn't really match. So, in general, I have to say that I would give this build a double, triple thumbs up. I am really, really excited about the Fuchs 87. I think this is a really cool microphone. And I don't even know if he has any more circuit boards to sell because I had to contact him directly in Austria and buy one from him. I don't even know if he has any more left. But, man, this is a cool mic. And you know what? I'm sorry, but don't ask me to build you one because I'm already on to my next mic project. I wanted to show this to you because I think it's really cool how the DIY community is really creating a lot of microphones that are very desirable, that aren't just cool projects. They don't just work, they work great. So, yeah, I would have no problem using this microphone in the booth on real gigs. And I will. I really will. So thank you, Michael Fuchs. And thank you to the group DIY community for, helping to birth projects like this that make my life more interesting and more exciting. So thank you very much. The Fuchs 87. What do you think? I want to know. Leave a comment. All right? Until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.